pink bike, and does this thing work? Nuh-uh. How do you... There's actually no way. Okay. Thought they would care. What?
Don't get caught.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to be careful, but I'm not doing too good.
I mean, most no one around here really cares if we do that stuff. The manager would care.
Okay.
Be watching out for them.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Yeah. There's no way there's just an employee just like, yeah, just try not to get caught.
Eventually.
Shopping with a small shopping cart. I don't know if it's really a prank. It's just like really concerning and confusing for people. So hopefully you find this funny like I did.